core equity research thesis. Write a powerful one-paragraph pitch. Think of a core thesis as your one-paragraph answer to why this stock, why now? It's a crisp summary you could defend in a meeting or an email. A strong thesis names the catalyst, what changes the narrative, your edge, what you see that others don't, and the expected outcome, price, multiple, or earnings path. It also frames the scope, how you'll value the business, and which risks matter most. When done right, that paragraph becomes your North Star, guiding position size, entry/exit, and what data you must track to confirm or kill the idea. Start by stating your investment stance clearly: buy, sell, or hold. Then name the drivers that move value, typically growth, margins, and multiple, so readers know what to watch. Quantify the view with a simple timeline and upside/downside range to set expectations. Finally, acknowledge key risks and how you'll mitigate or monitor them. Aim for a logical flow. Stance: right pointing arrow drivers, right pointing arrow numbers, right pointing arrow risks. Each sentence should earn its place and push the argument forward, making your thesis both persuasive and testable. Construct your case from the bottom up. Start with simple facts: market size, product fit, pricing model, and unit economics. LTV, CAC, payback, gross margin. Add insights: recent management moves, data trends from filings or web traffic, and comps that show how peers behave. Cap it with your differentiated view, what the market misses or misprices, such as timing of a catalyst or durability of growth. This pyramid keeps you honest. Facts support insights. Insights support the edge. If a layer is weak, the thesis wobbles. Fix the base before arguing the top. Be specific. Use numbers, dates, and catalysts. Say, Q4 price increase rolls through renewals, instead of improving momentum. Prefer active verbs like expands, accelerates, deleverages, re-rates. Cut buzzwords. No best in class without proof, such as retention, margins, or NPS. Keep it tight. Target 4 to 6 sentences and about 100 to 130 words, so readers can grasp it in one pass. Precision signals you've done the work, and concise writing forces clear thinking. If a claim can't be measured or timed, it doesn't belong in your core thesis. Buy. Over the next 12 months, a scheduled list price increase and a sticky AI add-on should lift net revenue retention to approximately 115%, expanding gross margins approximately 300 bits per second as cloud costs scale. With improving unit economics and clearer monetization, we expect a multiple re-rate from approximately 6x to approximately 8x EV/S as investors refocus on durability of growth. The catalyst path is quarterly renewals plus the AI skew rolling through enterprise accounts by Q4. Key risk is SMB churn, but the ongoing shift to annual prepay and seat minimums stabilizes cash flow and reduces logo volatility. We size the position ahead of renewal cohorts. Sell. Rising promotion intensity signals weaker pricing power into holiday, pushing traffic down approximately 5% and driving a mix shift toward low-margin basics. As gross margin compresses and inventory turns slow, we see NTM EPS multiple compressing from approximately 14x to approximately 9x, aligning with mid-tier peers. Catalysts include weekly promo cadence and markdown events, evident in circulars, and app push frequency. Risk. Management could surprise with cost cuts, but we'll track SG&A cadence, store labor hours, and freight rates. Without a credible merchandising refresh, promotions defend share but erode earnings quality. Turn research into a clean thesis by following a simple order. First, write the stance in one sentence. Next, list 2 to 3 drivers and attach numbers and timelines to each. Add 1 to 2 proof points per driver, filings, cohort data, pricing checks, or peer comps to anchor claims. Close with risks and explicit monitoring items so you know what would change your mind. Read it aloud and cut filler words, vague adjectives, and duplicate ideas. If you can't defend a sentence with data, rewrite it or remove it. The goal: a paragraph you'd send to your CIO with 0 caveats. Your core thesis is one sharp paragraph answering why this stock, why now. Make it measurable. Quantify upside/downside and timing tied to catalysts. Pair every driver with a risk and a monitoring plan so the idea is falsifiable. Keep language specific, active, and concise. Now, practice. Pick 2 real companies and rewrite their theses using this structure: stance, drivers with numbers, valuation path, risks, and catalysts. Aim for 4 to 6 sentences each. When done, share with a colleague, gather pushback, and tighten again. Repetition builds conviction and better results.